Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardu and today's video is all about a brand new Mercedes GLC that we've upgraded with a front and rear dash camera solution. So this customer was looking to protect their vehicle not only while driving but also protecting the vehicle when parked. So that's why we've added on something called a Thinkware U1000 2-channel camera system with a Thinkware iVolt battery. We're going to be showing you everything in today's video. So from the outside of the vehicle, you've got the Thinkware U1000 front dash camera. It's a 4K image quality wide angle lens, giving you great coverage, protecting the vehicle while parked, but also while driving. What this camera system does, you've got a really neat cable run which goes directly up into the head lining, across down a pillar, directly into fuse box location and towards the battery. In terms of this camera system, one of the great benefits of actually having this installed is the ability to access all your footage. You can actually download it right now, guys. It's called Thinkware Cloud, and link for that is in the description below. But what it actually is an application you can go on, change settings with ease, really easy to use, guys, as well as the fact you've actually got the ability to view and store footage and also save it and email it over to insurance companies or to whoever you need to. If you want to see a little bit more of an in-depth review of actually the application, check it out here. We've done a full video which goes through start to finish, how to use the application itself, and you can see a little bit more about that. But a really nice discreet install from driver's view, pretty much can't see it at all. It's hidden behind the mirror and it looks absolutely amazing. Now let's move over to the rear camera. So the rear camera is actually fully connected all the way to the front. That's a full cable run that's all done to the highest possible standards. You've got a really nice discrete camera solution here that's mounted onto this back panel, as well as the fact we've got the cable run that goes neatly down through factory grommet all the way to the front of the vehicle. Again, this vehicle is tinted like a lot of the vehicles that we have in, and the camera quality sees right through that, so it's not a problem. If that is a cause of concern that you think, well, I've got window tints, it's not going to see through, it does. It's phenomenal. I've got the same on my vehicle and the picture quality is honestly absolutely amazing. But look at some other reviews of the product. It shows you exactly that. Phenomenal grade, really nice and discreet camera solution. So when you look in that rear view mirror, you're not looking at some obstacle that's blocking your vision. It's really nice and discreet. Obviously the brain of the system is at the front, but this is just an image basically going directly and being transferred into that front camera. Another thing that we want to talk to you about is actually something called a Thinkware iVolt battery. The battery is actually completely hidden out of sight and mounted underneath this floor here in the boot. The reason why we've added on the Thinkware iVolt battery is not only to obviously record when the vehicle is parked, but to do it in a safe way. There is zero draw on the vehicle's battery, and the way the system works is as you drive the vehicle or when your engine is on, it inputs charge into that iVolt battery. Around about a 45-minute of inputting charge, whether that be driving or standing still with engine on, what happens is you get around about 16 hours of recording on the other side, which is absolutely phenomenal. Great for when you're popping down to the shops and then obviously your coverage, say even if it's a 10-15 minute drive to the local shops, you know that your vehicle is protected for the amount of time that you're in there as well as the fact obviously overnight, if you're doing a lot of driving per day, then you know overnight your vehicle is also protected. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Hopefully you've learned a little bit more about what the dash camera solution looks like in the brand new Mercedes GLC. If you're interested in having one of these systems installed, or another dash cam for that matter, make sure you get in touch with us. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. Everything you need to get in touch with us, guys, is in the description below. But thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you all very soon.